Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the top 5 must-visit tourist places in San Diego for 2024. First on our list is the world-famous San Diego Zoo, home to over 3,500 rare and endangered animals. Next, we have Balboa Park, a cultural hub boasting museums, gardens, theaters, and the iconic California Tower. Don't miss out on visiting the historic Gaslamp Quarter, known for its vibrant nightlife, dining options, and Victorian architecture. For beach lovers, a trip to La Jolla is a must, offering stunning coastal views, upscale boutiques, and fine dining experiences. Head to Coronado Island for a taste of luxury and relaxation at the iconic Hotel del Coronado and its pristine beaches. Experience the thrills at SeaWorld San Diego, where you can get up close with marine life through interactive exhibits and shows. Stroll along the scenic waterfront of Seaport Village, filled with shops, restaurants, and entertainment options for all ages. Catch a game at Petco Park, home to the San Diego Padres, and soak in the electric atmosphere of a baseball game. Explore the USS Midway Museum, a floating aircraft carrier-turned museum that offers a fascinating glimpse into naval history. Finally, end your day with a sunset at Sunset Cliffs, where breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean will leave you in awe. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of the top 5 tourist places in San Diego for 2024. So, start planning your trip now and discover the magic San Diego. Pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in San Diego. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more travel guides and tips on amazing destinations around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in San Diego. God bless you all.